Minimalist gardens embrace simplicity, focusing on clean lines and uncluttered spaces. This creates a peaceful and open environment. A monochrome color palette is key in minimalist gardens. Stick to shades of green, gray, and white to create a cohesive, soothing atmosphere. Leave plenty of open space to create a feeling of calm and clarity. The use of negative space is essential in minimalist design. Use fewer plant varieties to keep the garden visually simple. Opt for plants with clean shapes and subtle textures. Incorporate geometric shapes in the garden's layout and elements, like pathways, planters, or seating areas, to maintain a structured, modern feel. Neutral materials like concrete, wood, and stone add to the minimalist aesthetic. These natural materials blend with the environment, creating harmony. Choose plants with strong architectural shapes like agave, yucca, or boxwood for a minimalist garden. These plants create bold statements without excess. A simple water feature can add a sense of tranquility to your minimalist garden. Opt for sleek designs like a reflecting pool or a modern fountain. Minimalist gardens are often low maintenance, with drought-tolerant plants and simple layouts that require little upkeep. Use vertical elements like tall plants or minimalist trellises to add height and dimension without cluttering the space. Incorporate Zen garden elements such as raked gravel or simple stone arrangements to emphasize calm and contemplation. Keep garden furniture simple and functional. Choose pieces with clean lines and neutral colors to blend with a minimalist aesthetic. Use soft, subtle lighting to enhance the garden at night without overwhelming the design. Recessed lights or path lights work well in minimalist spaces. Symmetry plays a key role in minimalist garden design. Balance elements on either side of paths or seating areas to create a sense of order and calm. In minimalist gardens, every element has a purpose. Focus on functional features like seating, pathways, and planters that also serve as design elements.